I have been covering what I believe are some of the best ETFs for maximizing dividend income, driving growth, and minimizing downside risk. And today, I'm revealing my ETF portfolio with 3 of my top dividend ETFs and then pairing them with the picks and shovels of the AI boom, the overlooked companies doing the real work behind the scenes. And the goal is to create a portfolio centered around strong dividend income, real downside protection, and targeted exposure to the companies quietly powering the next leg of the AI boom. All right, so first, let's talk about the foundation. Many investors are bullish on AI and just buy QQQ or SMH and then add individual AI stocks on top. However, these ETFs already carry significant concentration risk. They're heavily weighted towards the same mega cap tech names. So when volatility hits, and it will, there's nothing to cushion it, and the drawdowns can be very painful. That's why I want to build the ETF core differently. Instead of a high beta growth ETF as the anchor, I want smart risk management built into my foundation. So for the primary core, I'm going to use 2 to 3 ETFs that I think are very well positioned for this kind of setup. First, I have FDVV and CGDV. FDVV is the Fidelity High Dividend ETF. It focuses on dividend growth, low payout ratios, and strong earnings quality. It has outperformed many dividend ETFs, including SCHD and VYM, and has even matched the S&P 500 over the last 5 years. With over $9 billion in assets under management and currently yielding around 3%. But what really sets it apart though is how it handles downturns. In the 2022 bear market, FDVV only lost around 3% versus the S&P 500's 20% drawdown. And this past March, it captured roughly half the downside of the broader market. That kind of cushioning is exactly what you want in a core position. Next is CGDV, the Capital Group Dividend Value ETF, which is actively managed with a strong emphasis on valuation and quality. It screens for financially healthy companies with durable competitive advantages and historically carries lower volatility than the S&P 500 with solid dividend growth on top. What's remarkable is that since inception, it has not only outperformed the S&P 500, it has also outperformed the QQQ, and it did that while absorbing significantly less drawdown. We saw that play out in the 2022 bear market, the April tariff sell-off, and again this past March. Now, for retirees or more conservative investors, I personally add ETFs like DGRO, DIVO, or RSPA. All excellent choices for dividend-focused, lower volatility exposure. I'm particularly a fan of DIVO. It yields nearly 7%, lost only around 1% in the 2022 bear market, and has held up exceptionally well through both the April tariff sell-off and the recent March turbulence. The risk management built into that fund is genuinely impressive. So here's how I think about the overall structure. About 70% in the ETF core split between FDVV, CGDV, and DIVO. This is your stable foundation, your dollar cost averaging here regardless of market conditions. A strong allocation I personally like is 35% to CGDV, 20% to FDVV, and 15% to DIVO. These 3 ETFs alone have historically outperformed the S&P 500 when using CGDV's inception date, with significantly better downside protection, a higher Sharpe and Sortino ratio, a beta of only 0.83, and an average dividend yield of over 5%. Then about 15% to individual AI stocks. This is the growth accelerator. Carefully selected, fundamentals driven, not just hype. And we'll get to exactly how to find these in just a minute. And around 15% is flexible. Now, the reason I say only 15% towards individual stocks is because you really don't need more than that to meaningfully impact total returns. Okay, now this is the part I'm really excited to show you. We have a very specific prompt designed to cut through all the noise and find the real potential AI winners. I'm going to show you the exact prompt developed in collaboration with investing.com, specifically engineered to find companies that are already monetizing AI today with real fundamentals to back it up. And Warren AI is the only AI tool I use that runs on proprietary financial data from investing.com. Real-time ratios, earnings, valuations, and free cash flow data that is simply not available to any other chatbot out there. And that is what makes it so powerful for this kind of screening. And a quick heads up, the tool that I am using for this entire framework is Investing Pro, and they are currently having a massive flash sale that ends on May 21st. You can get 55% off on Investing Pro, plus an additional 15% off when you use my link and code Victoria Media, which you can find in the description and comment section below. So definitely check it out. Take advantage of it before it's gone. It's only available for 3 days, ends on May 21st. Here's the prompt. It's long, but I highly suggest to copy it and sign up to get access to Warren AI. The prompt screens for companies with direct AI monetization or essential AI infrastructure, revenue growth above 15% annually, strong and expanding operating margins, solid free cash flow generation, market cap above 15 billion. So these are real established businesses. Excludes biotech and meme or story stocks entirely. And within that, it specifically targets sectors like semiconductors, cloud infrastructure, data centers, enterprise software, cybersecurity, networking, and AI automation platforms. The reason this matters is because this screen is finding companies that institutional money is quietly accumulating. Companies that aren't household names yet, but have the fundamentals of a long-term winner. Now, I'm not going to reveal all the stocks that came out of the screen today. You will have to run the prompt yourself inside Warren AI to find them all. However, I will show you 3 of the stocks right now, and I think you'll find some of these surprising. Number 1 is DigitalOcean, DOCN. This is cloud and IT services. Market cap is $17 billion. Revenue growth is 17.6% and operating margin is 16.4%. DigitalOcean is building out a cloud AI inference platform with a serverless architecture, meaning developers and companies can run AI models without managing the underlying hardware. This is essential infrastructure for the mid-market, a massive segment that the hyperscalers often overlook. Number 2 is Lumentum Optical Components, ticker LITE. This company has a market cap of $64.8 billion. The revenue growth is 69% and operating margin is 10.2%. Lumentum is essentially a sole supplier of optical interconnects for NVIDIA's AI data center switches. Every time a new AI data center gets built, Lumentum wins. And number 3 is Coherent, ticker symbol COHR. This company manufactures optical and AI infrastructure. It has a market cap of $65.6 billion, revenue growth of 18%, and operating margin of 12.1%. Coherent is the market leader in 1.6 trillion transceivers, the high-speed optical components that move data inside AI data centers at scale. As AI model sizes grow, the demand for faster data movement grows with them. Coherent is directly in that path. Now, notice what these 3 companies have in common. None of them are household names. All of them generate real revenue, real margins, and have a direct, specific link to AI infrastructure spending. That's what the prompt finds. That's the difference between a quality screen and a hype list. So let's bring this all together. You have a defensive ETF core in FDVV, CGDV, and DIVO. Quality screened, dividend generating, built to hold up in volatility. You're maintaining your income and you're compounding. Then you have a 15% allocation into fundamentals-driven AI stocks. Not the obvious names that everyone already owns, but the mid-cap companies with serious growth trajectories that institutional money is quietly building positions in. The ETF core protects you when markets get choppy, and the stock allocation gives you leverage to the AI growth cycle without betting your whole portfolio on it. That's the combination. Stable foundation, targeted growth, and real income throughout. And the tool that makes this possible, the one that lets you run this kind of screen with real data behind it, is Investing Pro's Warren AI. This video is sponsored by investing.com, and everything I just showed you, from the Warren AI prompt, the ETF framework, and the stock screen, all of that lives inside Investing Pro. And they are running a 3-day flash sale right now with 55% off. And when you use my link and code Victoria Media, you get an extra 15% off on top of that. The sale ends May 21st. Click the link pinned in the comments, use code Victoria Media, and run this exact prompt yourself today. If you found this useful, make sure you subscribe. I cover ETF and portfolio strategies like this every week. And you can check out this video next for more on building the defensive ETF core I covered today. And that is all for this one. If you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye! This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only and is not financial, investment, tax, or legal advice. Discussions of ETFs, investing strategies, market updates, or specific funds are general, not tailored to your financial situation, and should not be relied upon for decision-making. Investing involves significant risks, including total loss of principal, and past performance does not guarantee future results. I am not a registered financial advisor. My content reflects personal research and publicly available information. I may earn affiliate commissions from mentioned products or links disclosed per FTC guidelines, but these do not influence my opinions. Always consult a licensed financial professional and verify information independently. By watching this, you agree I am not liable for any losses or consequences from your actions. International viewers should consult local regulations.